Effective report writing, a blueprint for success. Writing a report involves several key steps to ensure that the document is clear, concise, effectively communicates the intended information. Here's a step-by-step guide to help you through the process. Step 1. Understand the purpose and audience. Identify the purpose. Understand why you are writing the report. Is it to inform, analyze, or recommend? Know your audience. Determine who will read the report. Tailor the content and language to their knowledge level and interest. Step 2. Gather and organize information. Research. Collect all necessary data, facts, and references. Use reliable and relevant sources. Organize data. Sort the information into categories. This will help structure the report logically. Step 3. Plan your report. Create an outline. Develop a detailed outline including the main sections and subsections. This typically includes title page, abstract or executive summary, table of contents, introduction, body divided into sections, conclusion, recommendations if applicable, references, appendices if applicable. Step 4. Write the first draft. Title page. Include the title of the report, your name, the date, and any other required information. Abstract or executive summary. Provide a brief summary of the report's contents, including purpose, main findings, and conclusions. Keep it concise, usually around 200 to 300 words. Table of contents. List the sections and subsections with page numbers. Introduction. Introduce the topic, state the purpose of the report, and outline the structure of the report. Body. This is the main part of the report. Each section should cover a specific aspect of the topic. Use headings and subheadings to organize the content. Methodology. Explain how the data was collected if applicable. Findings or results. Present the data and analysis. Use charts, graphs, and tables where necessary. Discussion. Interpret the findings. Discuss their implications and relate them to the purpose of the report. Conclusion. Summarize the main points. Relate the significance of the findings and provide closure. Recommendations. Suggest actionable steps based on the findings if applicable. References. List all sources cited in the report in the appropriate format: APA, MLA, Chicago, etc. Appendices. Include any additional material that supports the report but is too detailed to include in the main body. Step 5. Review and revise. Edit for clarity and conciseness. Ensure that the report is clear and to the point. Avoid unnecessary jargon. Check for consistency. Ensure that the style, tone, and formatting are consistent throughout the report. Proofread. Check for grammar, punctuation, and spelling errors. Verify data and references. Make sure all data is accurate and all sources are properly cited. Step 6. Format the report. Follow guidelines. Adhere to any specific formatting guidelines provided. Font size, margins, spacing, etc. Use visual aids. Include charts, graphs, and tables to support the text. Ensure they are clearly labeled and referenced in the text. Number pages. Include page numbers for easy navigation. Step 7. Finalize and submit. File the report. Assemble all the sections in the correct order. Save and print. Save the document in the required format and print if necessary. And before we proceed, please do share, like, and subscribe to our channel. Submit the report as per the instructions: email, online submission, physical copy, etc. By following these steps, you can create a well-structured and effective report that meets the needs of your audience and fulfills its intended purpose. Hey everyone, thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so you never miss an update. Before we go, I want to leave you with a little bit of magic. Remember, in the words of Walt Disney, all our dreams can come true if we have the courage to pursue them. Keep dreaming big, stay positive, and never forget that you have the power to create your own magic.